Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activity. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Alex, and in today's activity, we'll be learning how to tell about an event using chronological or sequencing order. When telling the story or recounting events, we have to make sure that there is a clear start, middle, and end. For example, if we wanted to retell our favorite movie, we would begin the story with how it started, give details about what happened, and then finish with what happened in the end and wrap up the story of the movie. In order for your audience to know what part of the story you're talking about, it's helpful to use sequencing words, including first, in the beginning, next, then, finally, and in the end. Can we identify which part of the story we would use these sequencing words? That's correct. You would use first in the beginning to describe the beginning of the story. You would use then and next to describe the events that follow the beginning. And you would use finally in the end to describe the ending of your story. Great job! Now that we understand how to tell our story, we will get started on our activity for today. Today we will be piecing together our morning routine using a train printout. Before we get started, let's gather our materials. The materials that you will need are the train outline printout, scissors, and a pen or pencil to write your story. You can use construction paper to make your story more colorful. Feel free to pause this video if you need more time to gather your materials, and I'll meet you back here when you're ready. Ready? Let's get started. First, we need to think of what our morning routine looks like for us. For me, the first thing that I do in the morning is get out of bed and drink a cup of water. You will then add each additional step that you complete as a part of your morning routine after you wake up in the morning. Once we have our morning routine, we will need to make sure that we have our train outlines printed and cut out. After we have our train outlines ready to go, we will use the pen or pencil to write the first step of our morning routine on the beginning of our train. Next, we will continue to write the steps in our morning routine on each piece of our train until we get to the last step. Once we are finished writing our morning routine and have filled in each part of our train, we can put them in order to be able to retell how to get ready in the morning. If you would like to make your train more colorful, you can trace the train outline onto construction paper and write directly on the colored paper, or you can create a background by cutting the colored paper slightly larger than your train outline so that it can show behind your train. You would then glue or tape the train outline to your slightly larger piece of colored paper. And that's it! You can print out more train outlines to practice retelling some of your favorite stories or routines. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please comment if you have questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll be back with more videos. Bye!